from hospital. So please wish him good health. Everyone, please wish him good health.
Best of luck in your recovery.
Please get better.
Yes. So kids, first, no, let me remove this question. Don't do this question. So when we are in primary grades, suppose I tell you 5 balls cost 80. So what is the price of one ball? So for finding the cost of one ball, we always divide. We will do 80 divided by 5. That will give me 16. Got it? Yes or no? Now, if I ask you the price of 15 balls, you will do 16 multiplied by how much? 15. That will be rupees 240. So this is what you have been doing till grade 4 mostly. Grade 4 and perhaps in grade 5 also. But when you come to grade 6, this is type 1 question that they can give you. And type 2 question is they can ask you how many balls you can purchase for rupees 400. How many balls can be purchased for is happening to be my pen purchased for rupees 400. So what we will do, how we will find in that case,
25 balls.
but how we will do, we will divide 400 divide by 16 to get the answer 25 balls. So when we did unitary method in grade 4 perhaps, or sometimes in grade 5 also, we always multiplied or mostly multiplied. Here when we go to grade 6, we can sometimes need to divide also. Understood, guys?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so I will be giving questions. You start doing them. This is the first question. So you can do it quickly. I'm going to give you 1 minute, not more than a minute more. So Keith, Gauri, Adya are absent. Ma'am, when Chatty, Mahuri, guys, you send your answer, write C and M with it. So has UI joined? Hacker will join late. UI, let me text. All right, everyone got it correct. So what's the answer, Mikey?
So, 210 rupees.
Rupees 210. Okay, thank you. Next, where is the question? Ma'am, UI also is joining. Ma'am, please mark Chatty and Mahuri's together after you have got both answers.
Sir, I'm not doing the class. I'm just here playing games.
Beta, you can do the class.
Sir, I
Please
have to
do the
go.
class, Mahuri.
Sir, I have to go home in 15 minutes.
So you do the class for 15 minutes.
Okay, sir, I do the class for 15 minutes. Your mental calculations are.
Give her a piece of paper, Chatty.
Mom, please check my answer.
Smiley,
Yes, sir.
UI.
Typing. Sir, I've already sent. Then I'll send again.
I don't know why people are ignoring you, UI. Maybe because you joined late
Yes.
without any valid reason. You joined late without any valid reason.
Sir, I forgot there was a class.
How can you forget such stuff?
Mm.
See, ma'am is not checking your answer. So, so Candy, how you did it, beta? Please tell me.
Sir, can I speak my answer?
No.
Sir,
Candy, how
why?
you did this question?
Sir, I did 10 multiplied by 9,000 upon
Now,
7.
why 10 multiplied by 9,000? पहले आप वन टेबल की कॉस्ट नहीं निकालोगे?
Yes, sir.
So how will you find the price of one table?
7,500 divided by 10.
7,500 divided by 10,
Good evening, sir.
which is equal to rupees 750. Good evening, Adil. Now then what we will do?
Then divided by 9,000.
What we will divide? 750. what will be the dividend?
9,000.
9,000 divided by 750. So if there is no remainder, we can simplify. Remainder होगा तो हम simplify नहीं कर सकते. When you simplify, you will get 12. All right.
Yes, sir.
Tables. Next, guys.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, 1 kg equal to how many grams?
1,000.
Of course, 1,000, beta. What kind of question was that? Were you joking? I think you were joking.
Sir, I sent my answer.
Sir, we have to do.
Yeah, my answer is
You have
10.
to do this question.
Yes, sir.
Beta, you have to join on time. That's when I explain first. The first 10 minutes are really important.
Sir, last class I got basically all questions wrong. This class I'm getting basically all questions right. Change of pace.
Mm. So what are we doing today?
We are doing maths today, Beta.
So which topic?
So, Miss Smiley,
Sir, I'm not getting this answer.
so if 10 boys consume 3 kg of sugar, so one thing more changes when we come to grade 6. Now, it's not always we'll get a whole number when you find the unit consumption. So 10 boys consume how much? 3 kg.
Good.
So one boy will consume how much? Those who got it wrong, beta, let them answer. Diya, Candy, Smiley, Dhairya, Adya.
3,000
One.
upon 10.
So you can convert it into 3,000. Otherwise, it will be 3 by 10 kg. In kgs, correct?
Yes, sir.
So for 15 boys, what will be the consumption? Tell me.
Sir, 45 kg. 4.5.
So 3 by 10 into 15. That will give me 45 upon 10. That is 4.5 kgs. We got it, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Can we simplify it?
Where? How can you can simplify, but why will you want to disturb the sacred 10, 10, 100,000 are sacred, very sacred numbers in divisions. So we must not, trouble them at all. Otherwise they get angry. You don't know that?
Yes, sir. Yeah, the answer will be same.
So I think ma'am is not checking your answer because intentionally, without any proper reason, you just joined the class late. Do you agree to the charges
So which charges?
of joining the class late without any proper reasons?
Mm, no.
All right, do the example one gets. So UI, please wish Mr. Ba speedy recovery since he is in the hospital.
Uh, Sir, how do we wish a speedy recovery?
By saying to him, beta, he is in the class.
Oh.
So see the dedication, beta. He's doing the class from hospital, and you were sitting right in front of the computer screen, and you did not join. See the difference in dedication. So, you why?
I wish you a speedy recovery, Mr. Blanc.
Do the question.
So do we have to make the rupee sign or can we make the dollar sign? Sir, I'm making the dollar sign.
Whatever you do, give the correct answer.
Hmm. Just look it up. It's wrong.
Dheeraj, what time are you leaving tomorrow?
Sir, after school.
You are going to school also tomorrow.
Sir, school ends at 12 o'clock only.
Why are you going to school tomorrow?
Sir, because our school has said not to be absent and because I'm getting results. So can this be a star question?
Hmm.
Yes, it's a star question. So Dia, Mr. Ba, and Smiley. Is my
So just
answer
type
ready?
it. So 2 minutes. So 2.
It's okay, Mr. Ba. Let me explain. It's okay, beta. Relax, just relax. So how much one orange will cost those who got it wrong?
So I did 70 upon 15 into 39 directly.
Yeah.
I did 70 upon 15 into 39 directly.
No, I'm not asking Dia anything to you. Got it right now. So what is the cost of one orange, kids?
Sir, rupees 70 upon 15.
70 upon 15.
Yes, sir.
So when you simplify, you can simplify, or you can simplify later because it cannot be, you will not get a whole number. So let me keep it
Yes.
like this. So now what will be the cost of 39 oranges, kids? One orange is this much. Just see that as a number. Don't see that as a fraction.
So 70 upon
17
15 into 39.
70 upon 15 into 39. So first I will simplify with 5. 5 threes are 15. 5 14s are 70. Then I will simplify with 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 13s are. Then I will do the maths. to find out my final answer. 182, let me check. All right, understood, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
To the second question. Never mind, leave it. You want to do? Can we do this? All right, do it, do it. Let's do it. Second. So, Mr. Ba, are you in some kind of pain?
Yes, sir, I am in little bit of pain, but it's recovering. Yesterday I had a bit more.
Okay. Mr. Ba, are you enjoying doing the class from hospital?
No, sir. Sir, I can't even get up.
Do you want to, start your camera, maybe say hi to your friends for 5 to 3 seconds if you want to say hi, not a compulsion or anything.
No, sir.
Okay, Mr. Ba, let's do the question. Dheeraj, you remember inverse variation?
Yes.
We have not done that in grade 7 now.
Sir, what? Inverse
Inverse,
operation we did?
inverse variation, beta.
No, sir, we have not done that.
You remember it from last time, ki agar, like if there is something, if number of men are there and work done is there, so more men
Yes,
will
sir, yes,
take
sir.
less number of days.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Sir, if you want, when I arrive there on Saturday, we can have a class. If you're available.
What time will you reach there?
So the journey is like 6 hours something. So if I go from here like 1 o'clock, maybe 7 o'clock.
But 7:30 we already have a class. All right, Smiley, Ruhan, UI, Adya. Miss Smiley and Arora ji.
Sir, almost done. Just 1 second.
Beta, keep your camera on first of all. Rule 1 of the class.
Sorry, sir. Sorry.
Smiley, what about you? Where is my answer?
Sir, it is difficult. I can't do it.
Beta, what's difficult? You tell me how much will it travel in 1 liter of diesel? Tell
So
me.
492 divided by 36.
92 divided by 36. And how much will it travel
Excuse
on
me, sir.
33 liter of diesel? Yes.
492.
Sir, from here it's for 6 hours 35 minutes.
So beta, you can just do the evening class. Nothing more.
Great, semester. Okay.
So we will do this. Now what are you confused in? 3 11s are 33, 3 12s are. Divide करो इसको और multiply कर दो. 12 4s are 48. 1 will be 41 into 11. That will give you 451 kilometers. All right.
Yes, sir.
Next. Example 3.
So can you please scroll a bit up?
Beta, is it not readable? I think it's readable.
So not on my screen today. I'm doing it on a very small screen.
Is it readable now? Tell me, Dia.
Yes, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye, Mahuri.
Bye, sir.
We'll miss you, Mahuri.
Sir, I'm still here. Sir, it's not in
But
the
you are leaving the screen now. So I will miss you for another day or two. I mean that.
So I don't get the question.
So Arav, in the next class, we will do speed, distance, time.
So I'm learning speed, distance, time right now. But
Yes.
this
It's a difficult concept, speed, distance. Time.
no, it's
Anything
quite
else,
easy.
beta, that you will be doing that we have not done?
No, sir. Actually, we're doing proportions, which we do not do here.
No, I made you do proportion.
Yeah, we did do
A
proportions.
little bit of proportion.
And just before the class, actually, I was finishing my math homework.
Any question you didn't understand?
Not at all, sir. I was just doing speed, distance, time. I find the topic very easy.
But the bit of complicated questions in speed, distance, time is kind of difficult.
I had a complicated giant word problem just like 2 days ago. I did that with quite some ease. So Yeah, like it was recurring decimals along with speedies and standard
Who
deviation.
has left for the day? So Chatty, Ruhan, Mikey, Guy. Guy is not understanding. So Chatty, Ruhan.
I didn't understand because she left me with only half her answer.
All right. So I am explaining Arora ji, Mikey. Okay. It's Mikey, Mikcy. So 25 bags of 50 kg. So kids, in this question, I am not concerned with the bags because bags, uh, each weighing it's 50 here and 40 here. So bags capacity can vary. So I am not concerned with the number of bags at all. 25 bags of 50 kg means 25 into 50, which is equal to 1250 kgs. Everyone understood this? Yes or no? So
Yes,
1250
sir.
kgs. So then weight of 1 kg will be how much?
0.12. So weight of 1 kg?
Price of 1
1 kg.
price of 1 kg.
Sir,
Yes, weight of 1 kg is always 1 kg. So what will be the price of 1 kg?
Divide by 10,000.
So 10,000 divided by 1250, which is kind of very simple, rupees 8. Do we understand?
Yes, sir.
So then price of 35 bags. पहले हम वेट कर सकते हैं. वेट ऑफ 35 bags of 40 kg. वेट कितना होगा गाइस? 35 into 40. करेक्ट? यस और नो?
Yes, sir. Yes,
उसका
sir.
प्राइस कितना होगा? टाइम्स 8. Do we understand?
Yes, sir.
So do the maths and get your answer.
Got it, sir.
So Candy, Chatty, Ruhan, Guy, Dhairya,
So what's
Mike.
the final answer?
What's the final answer?
Sir.
You do the multiplication 320 into this. करो 0 आएगा. 5s are 10.
I did
15 plus
31 multiplied by 35.
11200 is correct.
Then
All
it's
right.
31 multiplied by 35
Okay,
instead of
got
30.
it.
Yes. Can we have a break?
Okay, take a break, guys.
Yeah.
So do the 13th question, kids.
वो inverse variation वाला question है.
नहीं बेटा.
तो मुझे मैथ्स का रिजल्ट मिल गया.
How many marks did you get?
So 97 on 100.
Very good, Dheeraj. Mikey, what about you?
91.
Okay, what's the highest in your class, Dheeraj?
Sir, mine only.
Mikey, you are in Dheeraj's class only?
No, sir.
What's the highest in your class, Mikey?
Then 92, I think. 92, 93, like that.
Because of that 3-mark question.
Yes, sir. Sir, should we send the answer for the first one or second one?
What do you think, Rohan?
Sir, both.
So then you know the answer yourself.
So just making sure.
Ruhan, guy, hacker beta, that's why the first 10 minutes are very important. You understand, hacker?
Yes, sir.
So, guy, smiley, Mr. Guy, Mr.
Sorry, sir.
Cow.
Sorry, sir. I was on mute and I sent my answer.
Okay. So, only Adya and hacker will speak. So, how much he earns in one day, hacker and Adya?
195.
1980 divided by 12. That will be equal to 1. Then after that, what did you say? Let us check your answer. It will be 165.
Okay, sir.
Understood? That was your mistake, perhaps. Okay, Miss Hacker.
Yes, sir.
Then how many he will earn in 7 days? 165 into 7. In how many days will he earn 2640? What will I do then? Hacker and Smiley and Adya.
So we will divide 2640 by 165.
So Smiley, is it clear that for the B part, we will divide 2640 divide by 165.
Yes.
Is this part clear?
Yes, sir. So then what would be the final answer?
Final answer will be 16. Now, guys, right now, all the questions we did, you have to notice one thing. Let me show you the questions from the start. So, if he earns something in one day, let's say he earns 100. So, if the days increase, his earning increase or decrease? What happens to the earning?
So increase.
Increase. So when both of them increases, this is called direct variation. What is it called? Direct variation.
Direct.
Variation.
Sir,
So
do we
if
have
you,
to remember this?
beta, if you can remember, it's good. So in SPM syllabus, I think जो inverse variation के questions हैं वो cut करा देते हैं. till last year. I don't know about this year वो कराए नहीं कराए. But this is direct variation. Let's see more examples. 15 oranges 70. So 39 oranges will cost more or less?
So more.
More. So oranges are increasing, price is also increasing. 39 oranges means more price. Then these many kilometers in 36 liter. अगर liters increase है, kilometer भी ज्यादा है. Liters कम है, kilometers भी कम है. Can you see the pattern?
Yes.
Now there is a problem when one thing increases, second decreases. What is that problem?
Inverse variation.
Yes, it is inverse variation, but can you give me an example?
So the question we just solved the second part.
No, beta, that was also direct. एक चीज increase हो रही थी, दूसरी भी increase हो रही थी.
Now.
Yes, Mikey.
So कहाँ पे?
तो ये
मिल
जो
गया.
एग्जांपल होती है, ये होती है वर्क डन में या फूड कंजम्पशन में. देखो गाइस, क्या होगा? वर्क डन ज्यादा है अगर नंबर ऑफ वर्कर्स और नंबर ऑफ पीपल हु workers are less, then number of days will be more or less?
More.
More. But if I increase the workers, if workers increase, the number of days will decrease.
There are there more examples?
Yes, there are more examples also. So first of all, we understood this. So
Yes.
this is a case of inverse variation. इसको हम वैसे सॉल्व नहीं करते फिर डायरेक्ट वेरिएशन की तरह. हाउ डू वी सॉल्व इट? देयर प्रोडक्ट, if it's inverse variation, product remains constant. क्या constant रहता है? Product remains constant. And in direct variation क्या constant रहता है? Their ratio remains constant. डायरेक्ट वेरिएशंस को करने का एक देयर इज अनदर वेरी सिंपल वे जिसमें आपको कुछ सोचना नहीं पड़ता. दैट यू विल बी लर्निंग इन ग्रेड 7. So for now, direct variation, ratio remains constant. Inverse variation, product remains constant. So let me give you one example. The fourth one.
So like
If 12 men can reap in 25 days, better let me explain. How many days can 20 men reap the field? So let the number of days taken by 20 men be T. Correct? Or let me take it X only because you guys are so used to X. So I told you product remains constant. So product of 12 and 25. So 25 into 12, that will remain constant. That will be equal to 20 men into X days. So X will be equal to 25 into 12 divide by 20. Hacker, are you looking at the screen?
Yes.
So 4 5s are 25, 4 5 5s are 25, 5 4s are 20, 1 and 3, and I will get 15 days. Now you ask if you have any doubt.
sir, how can 25 multiplied by 12 be equal to 20 multiplied by x?
It will be equal, na? आप करके
Then
देख
how?
लो. This is 300
Yes, sir.
and 20 into 15 is also 300.
So,
So
how
this
is
is
it equal? I
proportion.
didn't understand the relation.
Relation is inverse variation
Oh,
because आपके
yes.
number of men बढ़ रहे हैं, days कम हो जाएंगे, तो by definition their product will remain constant.
Okay, sir.
इसमें हम unitary method नहीं लगाएंगे, we will use their product.
So, what if the answer is in decimals?
So then you can get in decimals also. Who is stopping you? Decimals are allowed. Okay. Guys, मैं इसी क्वेश्चन में थोड़ा सा चेंज कर देता हूं. Let me give you. So let me write 15 here. 15 men. No, let me write 15 men. Fine. Now give the answer. So Dheeraj, this is inverse variation. Okay. आप सैटरडे क्लास अटेंड करोगे, जो एक लास्ट टॉपिक ट्राइंगल्स मुझे थोड़ा सा कराना है, दैट आल्सो विल बी डन.
Okay.
So Mr. Cow, Candy, Ruhan, and UI. Candy, what is the product? Product is 12 into 25. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
That will be equal to 15 into. So 5 fives are 5 threes are. Then 3 ones are 3 4. So x will be equal to 20. So Candy, Guy, UI, Adya, Arora ji, what's the problem?
Sir, got it.
Yes.
Sir, can I get my charges?
Do you have a charger? I
No,
never knew
sir.
that.
Sir,
Do
for
this
my
question fifth.
sir, can I go get it?
Yes. Dheeraj, I will be sending you few questions after 15-20 minutes on this concept. Okay? Whichever answer does not match, आप मुझे भेज देना, मैं solution भेज. All right, Dheeraj. Dheeraj. Because it's a very easy question. What is happening, ma'am?
I'm not able to do it. Can you explain, please?
I will explain. Mr. Cow, Candy, Mr. Ba, Dia, and Mikey. Mr.
Sending.
Mr. Guy, Mikey, Aroda ji, Mr. Ba, Dia. Hello, guys. I will solve. Guy, what's happened to my answer? Mr. Guy.
Sorry, I'm not able to finish in time, but I got
So
the
see, the product will be equal. So product will be of 425 and 30. Because more men, less days, less men, more days. So it's inverse variation. First, always we have to identify. Direct hai, inverse hai. This is inverse. So equal to 375 into D days. Because the provisions ज़्यादा लोग होंगे तो obviously food and other supplies will be for less days. So it will be D will be equal to 425 into 30 divide by 375. So the best thing to do in this is not to multiply but to simplify. We can simplify with 25.
Division गलत करते हैं.
25 15s are and
25
20
17s.
17s are. So
So that's
then
a 15.
15 ones are and 15 twos are. So I will get 34 days. Do we understand, guys?
yes.
Yes, sir.
So, okay, kids, that's all for today. Bye bye. Enjoy.
So
Have
there's
fun.
only one guy.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.